Hey, so did Games Workshop rip off the Xenomorphs in the Alien franchise? What do you guys think?
Command! This is first platoon! We've lost the square! We can't hold it!
All I know is that Aliens came out in '79, 40K wasn't invented until about '87, and I don't think the NID showed up till around 1990, so I don't know, we can make a case for it. But either way, to celebrate this ridiculous fact, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paint some Tyranids, like some Xenomorphs from Aliens, and I want to show you guys that process, so come on in. This is Facility D20, where we're always making cool stuff. If you guys are wondering why I'm using Gants instead of like Warriors or a High Turret because they look more like a Xenomorph, well, because I only got Gants, so I'm only going to paint what I got. Nice thing about these, they're super simple to put together. Nothing to it. You just got to do about 100 of these things for an army. Next up is to 3D print some Xenomorphs. These are really cool Xenomorphs that I got online from Papsikels, and they make some awesome STL files. You should check them out. This was going to run about $1 and take about 4 hours for all these minis. There they are, ready to roll. If they were to battle it out, who do you think would win, Tyranids or the Xenomorphs? Also guys, don't forget to smash subscribe. Facility D20 is on the way to 10,000 subscribers, and I'd love to have you here. The painting on this was super simple. First I give it a nice coat of primer, then a simple wash with Nuln oil. Super heavy on this wash. Next up is some Guilliman blue glaze, and you don't want to use a contrast paint for this. Contrast paints they're just too heavy for this. You want to use a glaze. The glaze draws a lot darker. These things look super blue at the moment, but we're going to do one more step that's going to bring these back to life. These Xenomorph models are awesome for taking wash. You can see it darkens up when it dries, then one more super heavy coat of Nuln oil. And we've got that really cool blue-black sort of look going on that the aliens have in like the AVP movies. And the final step here is to do 2 super heavy coats of a gloss varnish to get that real wet-looking glossy skin tones. Now, at the end of the day, I think the Xenomorphs just look better this way than the NIDs. The NIDs are okay, they still need some work on the carapaces to pick out some details. But the Xenomorphs are looking super cool. Guys, don't forget to smash like on this video as I go ahead and paint the teeth. And what I did for this is use a little bit of silver. And then for the eyes on the gaunts, just a little bit of blue with a simple glaze. And here they are, face to face. So what do you guys think? Did GW rip off Aliens or not? Let me know. I think they sort of did, especially with the way in which Tyranids take over a planet. Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, let me know.